Have you ever noticed how loud life has become? Notifications, conversations, expectations, sometimes it feels like we're surrounded by noise. But what if real strength comes from silence? What if silence isn't emptiness, but power? Today, we're exploring the Stoic way to inner peace through silence. A place where clarity returns and your mind feels calm again. If you're on a journey of personal growth, resilience, and mental clarity, this video is for you. Chapter 1: Why Silence Feels Scary. Most people avoid silence. They turn on music when they drive, scroll through social media when they're alone, talk just to fill space. Silence can feel uncomfortable. Why? Because in silence, we hear the thoughts we try to avoid. But Stoic habits teach the opposite. They say silence is not something to escape. It's something to enter with courage. Marcus Aurelius often wrote his thoughts in quiet moments, not to impress others, but to understand himself. Silence is not empty. Silence is information. It reveals what truly matters and what is just noise. Chapter 2: The Stoic Practice of Stillness. Stoics believe that inner peace starts when the mind stops chasing everything. Not every opinion needs a response. Not every problem needs panic. Stillness doesn't mean doing nothing, it means not overreacting. Here's a simple exercise. Sit quietly for just 2 minutes. No phone. No distractions. Breathe slowly. Don't try to change any thought. Just observe it. You'll notice something powerful. Your thoughts come and go on their own. You are not your thoughts. You're the observer. This small practice builds mental clarity and resilience. It creates space between stimulus and response, and that space is where calm decisions are made. Chapter 3: Choosing what deserves your energy. Silence helps you see what truly deserves your attention. Imagine your mind as a room. Every thought represents someone knocking on the door. Not everyone deserves to come in. Ask yourself, does this help my growth? Is this problem even in my control? Will this matter in 5 years? Stoic habits teach you to protect your attention. When you choose silence, you choose energy for what matters: your health, your goals, your relationships, your inner peace. Some battles are won by staying silent. That is not weakness. That is emotional strength. Chapter 4: How Silence Builds Inner Peace. When you spend time in silence, you start to notice things you usually miss: your breathing, your stress levels, the way your mind races. You become aware. And awareness is the beginning of wisdom. Try adding moments of silence into your day. A quiet morning with no phone. Walking without headphones. Journaling your thoughts instead of reacting to them. Taking a few seconds before replying in anger. These small changes create resilience and mental clarity. They remind you that peace is a choice you make, not something you wait for. Chapter 5: Silence is not escape. It's power. Silence doesn't mean running away. It means returning to yourself. When you learn to find calm inside you, the outside world loses control over you. Life will always have noise. But you don't have to absorb all of it. You have the power to step back, breathe, and respond with wisdom instead of emotion. If you master silence, you master yourself. If this message spoke to you, take a moment to support the channel. Like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs peace today. And let me know in the comments, when was the last time you found silence? Remember, you don't always need more answers. Sometimes you just need more quiet.